Hello children, so this is welcome everyone to our mathematics class. So we are learning chapter first, place value of greater numbers, and today we are going to learn the topic rounding of numbers. So now what does rounding of number mean? So basically, suppose we will see one example. This is a number 5213. Now suppose I am saying that 5213 participants participated in a cycle rally. Okay, so basically now if someone wants to know that how many participants are there, so we do not need to give the exact number. We can simply say the total participants are 5000. So basically this is called as rounding of numbers. Means we do not give the exact number, we just estimate, we just give the number which is closest to the given number. So this is called as rounding off, and this number is rounded number which we give. So basically rounding off means you have to give, you don't need to give the exact number, you need to give the closest number, the closest 1000, the nearest 100, thousands number you have to represent. That is basically rounding off. Now if let us see some more examples here. Now suppose if we are taking one more example, see here the number is 17,243. Now if I am telling you that you have to round off this number, so this number is between 17,000, now see here, this number is between 17,000 and 18,000, right? So now the question is how to round off this number. We can round off it as 17,000 or 18,000. So while you have to keep this thing in mind that while rounding off the number, you have to round off it to the nearest number, whether it is nearest to this number or whether it is nearest to 18,000. This you have to see. Now how you can identify this? So always here the nearest place value of this 7 is 1000. So now just check the number after the 1000. The number which is in the right of 7, it is 2. So now always check this number, whatever 10,000 or thousands are given, check the next number. If this number is 5 or greater than 5, then we have to round off this number as 18,000. But if this number is smaller than 5, whether it is 1, 2, 3 or 4, okay, whether this number is smaller than 5, then we have to round off it to as 17,000, which is called as round down. So if this digit is smaller than 5, round it down, and if this digit is greater than 5, round it up, means take the greater number. Okay, this way you have to do. Now see one more, this was our first example, one more example we will see. 5,819. Now if I have to round off this number, should I round it off as 5,000 or 6,000? So what I can do, I have to check, this is 5,000, check the next number which is 8. So now 8 is greater than 5. So this number will be closest to 6,000. So I can round off this number at 6,000 because this digit, the digit closest to the 1000, the next digit is greater than 5. That's why I have to round out this number as 6,000, means round up, don't round it down. So this is called as, basically this is called as rounding of numbers. In this way you can round off the number and you can give one fixed number which is easy to remember or recall. So basically we do this rounding of number so that we get a approximate value which is easy to remember or recall. That's why this is done. So here we are done, students. Thank you so much.